In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync your Outlook calendar with Google Calendar. This process will let you have all your events in one place, regardless of whether you scheduled them on Outlook or Google. Let's get started. First, make sure you are logged into your Outlook account. If you haven't already done so, head over to the Outlook website and enter your login credentials. Once you're logged in, locate the settings icon. This is usually represented by a gear symbol in the upper right corner of the page. Click on this icon to access your settings. Now from the drop-down menu, select the calendar option. This is the part of the settings where you can handle all the tweaking related to your calendar. The next step is to visit the shared calendars section. In this section, you'll find an option labeled Select a Calendar. Click on it and then choose Calendar from the list presented to you. It's important to make sure this is selected correctly, as it will ensure you're working on the right calendar to sync with Google. Following that, go to the Select Permissions area. Here, pick the permission settings that suit your needs. Once you have chosen your desired permission, click Publish. Publishing the calendar essentially makes it accessible through a link which we will use to integrate it into Google Calendar. After publishing, you should see an option to select a format. Click on ICS. ICS is a universal calendar format that works seamlessly with Google Calendar, making the link exchange efficient. Next, you'll see a copy link button. Go ahead and click on it. This will copy the link to your clipboard. Make sure the link is copied successfully, as we will be using it shortly. Now move over to Google Calendar. Simply type Google Calendar into your browser and click on the first result that appears. Once the page loads, sign in with your Google account by entering your email and clicking Next. Then input your password and once again click Next to complete the sign-in process. After logging into Google Calendar, look for the plus sign beside Other Calendars on the left side of the page. Click on it and select From URL from the drop-down menu. In the provided field, paste the link you copied earlier from Outlook. After pasting, click on the Add Calendar button. Google will take care of the rest, adding all your Outlook events to your Google Calendar. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, your Outlook calendar events are now seamlessly synced with Google Calendar. This setup saves you time and effort, ensuring all your appointments and events are in one convenient location. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks to simplify your digital life. Thanks for watching.